Hi, welcome to Wellness Wednesday. I'm Jerry Keir with Complete Nutrition Alliance. I am your certified natural health provider. Today, we're continuing on our conversation about the carbohydrate fiber ratio. I'm going to just pound and pound on this because it is so critically important. And you can literally turn around pancreatic function quite quickly if you are eating enough fiber and not too many carbohydrates. So remember, if it's 4 carb, 1 fiber in that ratio or lower, like 2 carb, 1 fiber or 2 carb, 2 fiber, just don't exceed the math on 4 carb, 1 fiber. So if it's 8 carb, you'd have 2 fiber and so on. Remember, women need 50 grams of fiber a day and men should be eating 60 grams of fiber a day. Now, for some of you, that may be a little difficult because you're not eating any fiber right now. So start slowly because we don't want you to get a lot of gas and bloating because your gut microbiome lives on that fiber. And so it's going to start rebuilding and remodeling your gut, and it's going to start taking out the bad actors, which then will create the gas and bloating. So anyway, we're going to talk about type 2 diabetes today. So making sure you're keeping that blood sugar in control. And here's some things that can happen if you do not. Heart disease and stroke. That is a big one. So make sure you're not going there. Make sure you get enough fiber, not too many carbs. And then also kidney disease. So you want to make sure that you're not having chronic kidney disease by having too much carbohydrates. The eye issues that can happen because the vascular system, it messes with the blood vessel system when you have diabetes and your eyes have such tiny blood vessels in it. It can create cataracts and retinopathy and also glaucoma. So make sure that you are really watching your sugars because your eyes are generally the first to go. Eyes and fingers and toes. And it can cause nerve damage or neuropathy. So that is just, it can commonly happen in the feet or the fingers, and then that can create falling and instability when you walk. And foot position can go off. You can get foot problems actually when you have neuropathy. It can create amputations. So if you don't want to lose your fingers and toes, really watch the amount of carbohydrate versus fiber, not just the carbs. It's the carb versus fiber that is key. Now, other issues that can happen, gum disease and teeth loss. You can get skin infections and hearing loss. Once again, the vascular system is very tiny in the ears, so you can experience some hearing loss. Slower wound healing. That is definitely part of type 2 diabetes. It just takes longer to rebound because, once again, the vascular system is compromised, so you're not getting the wounds properly oxygenated. And then it weakens your immune system. You can have depression, cognitive issues like dementia. And don't even go there because once you cannot recover the brain, what is lost. So make sure you don't even lose anything there so you don't have to try and recover anything. And then also fatty liver disease. So non-alcoholic fatty liver disease can be caused from having too high of carb and too low of fiber. So it can also shorten your life. They're showing an average type 2 diabetes, uncontrolled and out of control or not actually kept in control, can cut your lifespan up to 10 years. So if you want to live a shorter life, go ahead and eat all that junk food. But just know there is always, your body can and will recover. It can and will heal itself in a real short amount of time if you just pay attention to what you're putting in your mouth, what you're putting in your grocery cart, and how you are eating. And when you eat enough good fats, olive oil, avocados. Avocados are huge, high in fiber, great fat. It will actually stabilize your blood sugar. And if you're eating higher fats at night, it satiates you so you're not ravenous hungry in the morning. If you have any questions, please drop them in the link below. Reach out to me, send me a message. I will get back to you. You don't have to walk this road alone. I am here for you. Give me a call and always live with vitality. Jerry with Complete Nutrition.